Well, on to Maharashtra then. The politics in the state is set to witness another major shake-up as six rebel or Shiv Sena UBT members of parliament are likely to join Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena faction today. The political crisis, which is nicknamed as Operation Tiger by BJP and Shinde, is likely to further weaken Uddhav Thackeray's camp as the rebel bloc is expected to reach two-thirds strength that is required to avoid disqualification under India's anti-defection law. Amid the growing rebellion within Shiv Sena UBT faction, Uddhav Thackeray has called for an urgent meet of party leaders around 2:30 p.m. local time at the party office. Uddhav Thackeray is expected to even address party legislators and chalk out his strategy following the revolt by a section of party's Lok Sabha MPs. Well, this meeting comes just days after a similar gathering, which was on 17th of June, that was skipped by 6 MPs now believed to be part of rebel camp. The crisis deepened on Sunday when rebel MPs Nagesh Patil and Om Prakash Raje had publicly declared their support for Eknath Shinde. Maharashtra Chief Minister and BJP leader Devendra Fadnavis had blamed Uddhav Thackeray for the crisis while saying that he had failed to learn from past setbacks or introspect. In fact, Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde hailed the developments as a success and declared that Operation Tiger had achieved its objective. And getting us more on the rebellion within the Uddhav Thackeray faction is our principal correspondent Disha Yadav, who sent us this report from Mumbai.
Well, that is right. Weeks of speculations have finally ended. All the 6 rebel MPs from UBT leadership is finally parting ways, and what we understand, they are officially and publicly expected to join Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena later today in the evening. In fact, in Mumbai, a press conference is likely expected where all the 6 rebel MPs will publicly announce their decision to join Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena and also explain their reasons as to why they are parting ways with the Uddhav camp, with whom they have been there for the past 4 years. Now what we understand, the development comes right after all of these 6 rebel MPs travelled to Delhi last week. They met the speaker as well, Om Birla, and asked and submitted a letter saying that they want to be recognized as a separate group in the parliament. Now, what we understand, out of that, 2 rebel MPs already on Sunday, which is yesterday, publicly announced that how the operation to bring them back into the Eknath Shinde camp is in the final stages. So they have also given a go-ahead. So, of course, now the next course of action will be to see whether more rebel MPs do join from the Uddhav camp towards the Eknath Shinde camp, and what impact it is going to have on the upcoming local body elections here in Maharashtra. This is Disha reporting here for Beyond from Mumbai.